Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2014 Jaguar F-Type. This Jaguar is powered by rear-wheel drive V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 68,582 miles. Experience the thrill of driving a 2014 Jaguar F-Type. This stunning sports car combines luxury and performance, featuring a powerful engine and sleek design. Don't miss your chance to own this head-turner. Schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned F-Type comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated windshield, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Jaguar F-Type is equipped with Bluetooth navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.